The Umkhonto we Party also appointed Mzwanele Manyi as their chief whip of Umkhonto we Party. They released a statement that reads as follows: Honorable Mzwanele Manyi has been appointed as the chief whip of the MK Party with immediate effect. He replaces Honorable Sihle Ngubane, who has served diligently in this role. Honorable Manyi brings a wealth of executive experience to this administrative yet political role, as he served in government as a Director General and led as a cooperative executive in the private sector. His extensive expertise will add impetus to the ongoing work within the party, whilst building upon the solid foundation laid by the Honorable Ngubane. We are confident that Honorable Manyi's leadership will further strengthen our party's commitment to serve the people with integrity and dedication. Honorable Sihle Ngubane will continue to serve as an ordinary member of the National Assembly as assigned to the committees which he continues to participate in. The Umkhonto we Party also released a statement welcoming Comrade Makhubele. The media statement reads as follows: Colin Makhubele joins Umkhonto we Party. Umkhonto we Party welcomes Colin Makhubele in joining the vanguard of the nation. Her announcement could not have come at a better time as Women's Month draws to a close. Comrade Makhubele has a robust background as a public servant, as the former Speaker of Council in the City of Johannesburg Metropolitan Municipality and a chair of chairs at the COJ Council. Makhubele was previously chairperson of the board of Metropolitan Trading Company at the City of Johannesburg under the Department of Economic Development, and also served as both chairperson of board and non-executive director of the South African Post Office, SAPO. She is a member of the Institute of Directors South Africa and currently serves as a trustee of HCL Foundation Trust. She holds the following qualifications: Bachelor of Information Technology, Engineering Honours Degree, Malaysia, Masters in Business Administration, Diploma in Project Management, SAP Certificate, Project Management, PhD Management of Technology and Innovation. She has championed various initiatives and programs, namely the Girls Can Do Anything, which encourages girls to break barriers and think beyond their limitations of their culture, youth entrepreneurship, which develops entrepreneurial youth who will drive measurable socio-economic impact, women in sports, which advocates for steps towards inclusivity and equality to female athletes, and lastly, STEM, which empowers science, technology, engineering, and mathematics for the future leaders of our nation. Her sheer brilliance and tenacity of championing the revolution and unapologetically standing up what is fair and just ties well with the new era the party finds itself chartering, which is one of the characterized by bold political strategy, unwavering commitment to the people, and a clear vision for the future. We are confident that Comrade Makhubele will not only confidently defend the revolution, but she will work tirelessly to help the party in achieving economic freedom in our lifetime and rightfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.